So we're working today on a GE dishwasher. This is the model number. This unit timer is not moving at all whenever we put it somewhere. So we're just gonna replace it with a new one. We're gonna remove all the screws around the area. Then we're just gonna remove the top, and the timer is gonna be right in here. You guys want to make sure there's no power going into, that way you guys don't get shocked. And this is the new timer, and this is the one that we're gonna remove. Gonna make sure it looks the same. Whenever you remove the timer, you want to make sure the way to look up this arm, make sure you know how it will go back into the new one, because it can get a little confusing sometimes. The timer only have two connections, which will be this black one and the small one in here. Okay, something really important to do. The timer, they look exactly the same, but a lot of people made the mistake to not remove this baby blue part from the old one and put it into the new one. If you don't put this, it's not gonna trigger the arm to open for the sub dispenser, and then you guys gonna have problem. So make sure you remove this part. So pretty much you just slide it out and put it into the new one. And we are ready to put everything back together. Okay, so we have connected the timer back in. You just slide into this section, and you have only two screws that hold it. And now it's ready to put everything back. Part is installed. Make sure it latches good here, and just put the knob back where it's supposed to go. For watching this video, guys. Subscribe for more. See you next time.